Sir, yung kay Senator Jinggoy Estrada, di ba nagbaba na yung Sandigan Bayan ng 90 days suspension? Ang Senate po ba kailangan pa yun i-approve o automatic na yun?
Okay. Yung kung ano yung itong 90 days suspension, hindi bago ito, no? Nangyari na ito in the past, no, with other senators. So kung ano yung naging practice in the past and ano ang legal practice in the past, yun ang susundan natin. In this case, I haven't, kasi naging busy sa pre-trial, no? So I haven't really sat down with our legal team on how to go about it. But ang masasabi ko lang, kung ano yung legal practice in the past, yun ang susundan natin. I'll give you a straight answer pag nakausap ko na yung legal team.
Kapag sir, separate pa ba yung sa impeachment, yung role niya as a senator judge sa impeachment?
From what I understand, pag suspended ka as a senator, kasama na rin dun yung being a senator judge. No? So the suspension is to the senator and it carries with it all the responsibilities as a senator, including becoming a senator judge.
Okay. Pero sir, natanggap niyo na po.
Or considered pa rin siya as a senator?
You have to distinguish determination of the quorum and to convict. No? These are two separate things. Determination of the quorum is iba yun, no? And determination to convict, iba rin yun. No?
Simple sir, majority yung sa quorum. Simple majority, sir.
Ang quorum, yes, simple majority. Yeah.
Which is 13.
Yeah. Okay, guys, meron pa?
Yes, sir. Sir, naisip mo po ba na sana better time yung pagkaka-assume mo as SP? Kasi ang dami pong issue. May mga senator na tapos daw yung bago ka ma-elect talaga, ang daming issues. Sana, parang naisip mo ba na sana mas better times na parang...
Sana talaga. Lahat naman tayo gusto natin to assume a role during better times, 'di ba? Lahat naman tayo, pero nasa Diyos 'yan eh. No, ito yung time na ibinigay sa akin ng Diyos eh. So I just have to accept His will. No, so I wish it was a better time, a more harmonious, a more less stressful, but that wasn't the time given to me. So I just have to accept that. No?
Heightened security alert pa rin po.
Yes.
Kapag mag-conduct po ng hearings ang committees, paano po ang magiging protocol?
They will have to submit the guest list ahead of time. And then sa OSAA para alam ng OSAA sino yung mga resource persons ng iba't ibang committees. Okay naman eh. I monitor the process. Okay naman. Very smooth naman yung ganun. So we will request the chairman or the COMSEC, the committee secretaries, to submit the guest list ahead of time, no, para maabangan sa ano. But we will also, ang plano namin ni Sergeant at Arms is every end of the week, tomorrow actually, we'll have a security briefing with the PNP and other agencies para malaman namin yung status for the next week. No? So we'll take this week by week.
Sir, more...
Ngayon walang visitors po ng...
Wala muna, except kung merong written request. No? Kagaya sa pre-trial, yung mga, in fairness sa mga senators, they sent us a list of names na gusto nilang pumasok, no. So I appreciate the senators for cooperating with the protocols, no.
For the impeachment lang, how are you preparing logistically, sir?
Yes.
Part of the
That is the biggest challenge, the logistics portion, kasi maliit ang Senado eh. Ang pinaka problema natin dito, space, no? That is the biggest problem. Ang prosecution, gusto nila may sarili silang huddle room, may sarili silang media room, meron silang sariling staff. Ang defense, ganun rin. Of course, yung senators, may sarili ring mga requirements. So it's very difficult. And then under the Constitution, dapat open pa to the public. So that's another security hazard. So we need to make do with our limited space. Kaya hingi nga ako ng pag-unawa sa inyo na yung movements will be very difficult, the space will be very difficult, but we'll try our best to accommodate everyone. No? Ang importante naman, safe, maayos, at orderly conduct ng impeachment.
So magkano nilalang budget, sir, for the
Sorry?
How much are we allotting?
Wala pa kaming final number but not so much, no, kasi dito lang naman yung gaganapin. Ang nakikita ko lang added cost yan will be probably additional security or and food, parang kanya-kanyang dala eh. Alam ko eh, kanya-kanyang dala, no? So not so much kasi ang maganda yung venue dito eh. So hindi naman magiging magastos 'yun.
Bakit po muna yung kinausap for the impeachment preps ay AFP, PNP?
Kasi may Marines tayo dito. We have a Marine contingent. We have 20 plus Marine contingent here. So dapat coordinated. No? So kahapon, if may nagpicture yata kahapon. So hindi lang naman Marines, andun ng MMDA, Pasay LGU, NICA, PNP, AFP, sino pa ba? BFP, Fire. No? So marami sila.
Yun nga sir, bakit security forces sir yung kinausap nyo for impeachment preps?
Well, we have to admit that the personalities involved are political entities or political personalities. So we have to make sure na covered ang security aspect nitong impeachment proceedings, no. And like I said, very limited in space. Ang constraint kasi dito space eh, no. So inuna na namin i-meet itong logistics and security aspects.
Isa na lang, pwede pa comment lang sa sinabi ni Senator Ping Lacson na umabot daw ng 700 million yung nalustay in the past weeks. Dahil doon sa mga nangyaring kaguluhan, walang nag-boycott sa session, walang hearings, and paano nyo po babawiin yung lost time and yung
Well, kinumpute namin ang budget ng Senado per day is about 24 million, no? Almost 25 million, no? Just to operate the Senate. The Senate is a big institution. We have 2,000 people, may isang building tayo. So if you count those days, those are the days na naging unproductive, no? Kaya nasabi ko nga in one of our press cons na sayang yung pera na ibinabayad ng tao sa sweldo, sa kuryente. So babawiin naman natin yan in the next few days, no? So we'll back down to work, no?
Sir, kung di na Senate Days, ano ng episode tayo ngayon?
Anong season?
Back to work season.
Sir, ano po yung magiging agenda nung
Hindi back to school, back to work.
agenda ng caucus before the impeachment, sir?
Yes?
Ano lang po yung magiging agenda ng all members caucus before the impeachment?
Marami. Yung security, yung schedule, yung outcome ng pre-trial conference. Yung pre-trial conference kasi we narrow down also the time. So gaano kahaba, no? So and then it will narrow down also the day itself, kung sinong testigo ang ipepresenta, anong ebidensya ipepresenta. So lahat yan on a per day nakalatag na yan, no? So we will discuss that with the senators.
Do you also see it as a way para ma-ensure that all's well after the dispute? Yung caucus na yun.
Yes, what do you mean? All's well.
Na okay na po lahat yung mga senators after the dispute.
Yeah, I like I said, no, lahat naman ay sa mga nakakausap po, generally the senators just want to go back to work. And itong impeachment is part of our responsibilities under the Constitution. So it's part of our work, no.
SP,
Kaya
sir.
magiging dalawa yung trabaho namin, impeachment and legislation.
Kanina pa kayo. The SP, yung parking ng senators, bakit sarado? Interestingly, bakit po hindi pinapasok?
Yung sa likod kasi walang x-ray machines, tsaka walang metal detector, no? So pinag-aaralan pa how to secure that entry. Unlike dito sa harap, may x-ray machines, may metal detector, at merong registration ng guest, no? Sa likod wala eh. So we're studying, OSA is studying kung how to secure that area. So for now, close siya. tinitingnan namin kung kayang maglagay ng mga metal detectors and x-ray para lahat ng dumadaan doon. Meron ding meron dadaan din sa same security protocols. In other, marami kami napuntahan na halls of parliament. Napaka-strict. Kahit na Speaker of the House or Leader of the Parliament dumadaan sa security protocols. No? So, because marami tayong pinag-uusapan na very sensitive. No? So, dapat lahat dumadaan sa the same security protocols.
Meron na ba kasing concern? Kasi ang nagpa-park lang naman ho doon senators and siguro ilang chief of staff.
Oo.
Meron bang concern na pwedeng magdala ng baril or any contraband?
Well, pinag-aaralan namin how to secure all ingress and ingress. Pinapag-aralan natin. Dapat pagpasok ng building safe regardless kung sino ang papasok. No?
And then sir, yung sa report nga ng DOJ na the Senate was not under attack noong May 13, binalak ko kasi during the Cayetano Senate presidency, binalak nila mag-hold ng hearings, magkaroon ng investigation ng sarili ang Senate. Magkakaroon po ba ngayon? And may necessity ba
Hindi
for
namin
that?
napag-usapan but based sa mga kausap kong senators, mas maganda iiwan na lang sa DOJ dahil independent. No? So we cannot investigate ourselves. No? So in the next few days, we'll coordinate with the DOJ on that report. No? Wala.
How would you describe your leadership style as a senator? We've heard about consensus building, about being straight, discipline.
Well, I think most of you have witnessed my last 10 years here. Pati TWG, pinupuntahan natin. No? Kasi ako para sa akin, TWG mas importante sa hearing kasi doon yung nitty-gritty ng bill making. So, but I enjoy it. No? Kasi natututo ako at nakikilala ko yung mga resource persons. So, I think if I describe it, kayo na lang mag-describe, no? I think mahirap self-serving kasi pag di-describe ko sarili ko eh. Oo. Oo. Okay? Last. Wala pa. We'll wait for the pre-trial conference. We'll be discussing that. Wala pa. Last si Tribune.
Pag-uusap po ba within the majority to file a motion to the Sandigan Bayan to lift the suspension of Senator Jinggoy because Senator Lacson over the weekend mentioned that he cited the pronouncement of Ombudsman Boying Rimulyan na at least 9 senators are at risk to be subjected to a probe. So sabi niya, it could possibly derail the impeachment if lahat yon ay masususpend.
Those are just parang if I'm not mistaken, statements, hypothetical scenarios and statements. So mahirap mag-react to those type of comments kung hindi pa naman nangyayari. And we cannot file to the Sandigan because we're not a party of interest. No? It's between the respondent and also the state. No? Kami hindi kami kasali doon.
Okay, sir. So walang effort to file a motion?
Wala.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you.